Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be taking another quick look at the crypto mining game. We're going to be checking out how the account has changed, but I'm also going to be bringing you that CMG competition giveaway. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so welcome to the crypto mining game. You can see this is my account, and it has been a week since the last time we were in here. Now, I haven't got any major updates for you like I did in the last video, but I have been speaking to Cyril, and he did tell me that the other day he did meet with his illustrator to start finishing off that new render of the world map, or the CMG world map anyway. So that'll be really interesting to see. Hopefully I'll be able to give you guys a look at that fairly soon. Obviously I can't give a specific date, but hopefully that will be in the near future, along with some other updates if they're around. Okay, so let's quickly look at the account. So 1 week ago, our H power was 2,792. You can see that we are now at 2,837. So obviously a nice little jump there in just a week. Our bits are now over 20,000. So we've been obviously mining them fairly consistently since I did my last withdrawal. And we were at 43.52% through our level 19 on the way to level 20. We are now at over 50%. So that means that's a jump of around about 7%, 6.5%, something like that. So again, in a week, I'm actually quite happy about that. And then if we dive into the workshop, we dive into the workshop and we look at our drone. So last week we had our engine at level 28, our sensor at 29, and our storage at 28, but we have bumped up our storage to level 29. Now I did say when I was talking about trying to find the controller device, the reason why a lot of you can't find that, and that is basically because your storage level is simply not high enough, therefore essentially not having the capacity to collect that control device. Now, if you do want a bit more information on that, what I will do is I will put the video I did last week as a link in the description. Go and check that out. That will just give you a bit more information and a better understanding of why you are unable to find that controller device and essentially what you can do about it. Okay, so big news. I have been working very hard over this week, and two things really when it comes to the crypto mining war. Our VMP had a really great season. We only have 10 members now because a lot of people have basically left for whatever reason, for their own reasons, I guess. But so we're down to 10 members, and we still managed to get into that top 20, and we collected the maximum possible prizes to be earned as well. So we got max rewards, essentially, basically because we are at that level 10. We only have, because we only have 10 members. Now, I never realized this before, but if you go into, like, if we go down here, I'm not going to show you, but if we go down here, you have all the previous seasons. If you click on the results and then look at any VMP that has more than 10 members and look at their rewards, they get less. But if you've got 10 members or less, then you get maximum rewards. So that means you're getting 1,000 what is it, 1,000 crypto coins, X amount of crystals, and the war chest and all that kind of stuff, but it's maximum. So what I've decided to do, basically because I have a very good team in my VMP, they work very hard, I've decided for the moment I am not accepting any new members into the VMP, basically just as a bit of a reward to those members that have really stuck with me and stayed in the VMP without just leaving or deciding they don't want to participate. So I'm going to reward them by keeping it at 10 members so they all get maximum rewards. But in the near future, or in the future, I'm not going to say near future, but in the future, that might possibly change. But yeah, I will look at that in the future at some point. So the other big news is that obviously it's very early days. We've only been going in this season for about 7 days or just under 7 days. But I'm currently hanging very close to being in that top 100 and start claiming some of these rewards. So I'm going to do my best, see how we get on, and hopefully I will be able to get some of those rewards as well. Okay, so obviously I realise why you guys are here mainly. I do want to just say that when we get into talking about the competition, please take very careful note of what the rules are, because at the end of the day, if you don't comply with the rules, you will not qualify for a prize. So just make sure that this next segment that you watch very carefully and understand what you need to be doing to getting one of those prizes. So keep watching. Okay, so before we get into talking about the competition, looking at the prizes and the rules, I just want to say, for those of you that are not familiar with CryptoMiningGame, but maybe it's something that you want to know more about and get involved with, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a playlist. Now, that playlist does have quite a few videos in it. My advice would be maybe watch the first 3 or 4, so the very early videos, the first 3 or 4 of those, and then maybe the last 6 or 7 of the more recent videos. I think that will give you a good understanding of how the platform works and what you need to be doing to get yourself involved and get yourself earning some of this free crypto. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so CMG Competition and Giveaway. Now, you'll remember in the last video, I did say that I was very fortunate and that Cyril had sent me a few packs of the cards, of the game cards. And obviously I wanted to do a prize giveaway for those of you that are interested and are involved with the crypto mining game. So basically, third prize, so there will be 3 prizes. So you got a first, second and third prize. So third prize will be a Astro Girl 18 card booster pack, which they do guarantee there will be at least 1 Astro Girl card in that pack, plus a single player aid sheet you will get there. Okay, so second prize is going to be a single player starter pack, so you get a full deck of cards and you get 2 player aid sheets. Now, first prize, this is the big one. That is going to be a 2-player starter pack. So that is 2 decks of cards. And I'm going to give you 4 of the player aid sheets. Now, I think, you know, if this is something that you're into, these trading card games, battle card games, all that kind of stuff, I think these are a excellent addition to your collection. And obviously, if you're just starting out, then again, you know, they are great quality. The packaging is absolutely top notch. Even the player sheets, they're really nice. Good quality paper that they're put on, all that kind of stuff. For me, I think I am admittedly a bit of a fan of these kind of games, but I do think that the cards, to look at, I love them. They are absolutely beautiful to look at. Anyway, what are the rules? Okay, so the rules to the competition are: firstly, you must be in my crypto mining game downline to qualify for a prize. So only people that are in my CMG downline will actually qualify for a prize. You must also be an active member. So you don't just think you can come and sign up, not do anything in the game, and then possibly win a prize. It doesn't work that way. You've got to be an active member. And yes, like it says there, I can see your activity. I can see various different parts of your activity, and I can actually see the date of the last time you were active. As number 3 says, just logging in daily and not doing anything else does not count as activity. Like I say, I can see the date you were last active, but I can actually see other areas that show activity. 4, in this game, you will get 3 guesses. So that gives you an idea of what the competition is sort of going to be like. But you will get 3 guesses, but you only get 1 prize per person, just to be fair. So, 3 people get the various prizes. Obviously, there is always in anything the possibility that someone could just be really lucky and end up with all 3 prizes. I don't want that, but like I say, is you will get 3 guesses at this, but you only get 1 prize per person per account. And if you're also as well, you got to think about, because I have had this in past competitions where I've seen that people have opened multiple accounts. So if you've got 5 accounts, you've got to think that all those 5 accounts you've got to be using. You've got to be showing activity, and a good amount of activity on all of those accounts. And also as well, multiple accounts, I'm not going to, you're not going to win more than 1. I'm still not going to give you more than 1 prize. Even if you've got 10 prizes, you've done tons of activity, and somehow you managed to guess all 3 of these perfectly, it's still only 1 prize per person. So it doesn't matter how many accounts you've got, it's still only 1 prize. And like I say, do you really want to sit for I don't know how long trying to keep 5 accounts up and running to win these prizes? Personally, I got other things I could be doing. So 5, all guesses must be posted below this video on YouTube. It will only be guesses that are posted below this video on the platform YouTube that will qualify. So guesses that are sent to me via Facebook, Twitter, BitTube, WebTalk, or any other site that I post on, Medium, will not count. All the guesses must be posted on this video in YouTube. Okay, there is it's not a rule, but if you are a winner, you will be asked to provide a full size and very clear screenshot of your account. So that would essentially be this screenshot that shows your account. The reason for that is so I can verify your account, so I can verify your username, that you are in my downline, and also as well to make sure that the person claiming the prize is the person that actually owns the account. So like I say, for those 3 winners, you will be asked for that as well. Okay, so what is the competition? this is the competition, right? Basically, what I did was I picked 3 random cards. Obviously, they are face down. Now, you need to send in to me what you believe those cards are. Now, if you go into your My Cards section, you can see all the cards here that I could choose from. So you've basically got to send me a combination of 3 cards and what you believe those cards are. So what you believe that card is, that card is, and that card is from your listing in your My Card section. Now, I haven't done anything underhanded. I've not done anything like pick all 3 the same cards. I've not done anything like that. It is fair. They are randomly picked. So that's it. But you're guessing 9 cards because you've got 3 guesses. So obviously, if you don't get it on the first one, there's always a chance you could get it on the second or the third. I'm going to run this competition for 2 weeks. If after that 2 weeks, no one has won the prizes, so because basically the way I'm going to do it originally is that I need 3 people to guess all 3 cards, and whoever's first with the correct guesses will get first prize. Whoever is second with the correct guesses will get second prize, and whoever is third with the correct guesses will then get third prize. But if no one actually gets the full correct combination in 2 weeks' time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of your guesses, and I will pick out the 3 closest according to date. So obviously, if say all of you guessed, so if you guessed 2 cards right, 1 card wrong, and there was 3 people that did that, the way I would figure out what first prizes, second prizes, and third prizes is according to the date you posted that guess. So the earlier the date, that would get the first prize. Then the date after that would get second prize, and the date after that would get third prize. Okay, so I hope that is clearly put there. So dead simple. All you've got to do is guess the 3 cards. They are 3 random cards. If you go into your My Cards section, you can see all the different cards that I could have possibly chosen. And then you just have to send me your guess or guesses, post them below this video on YouTube. Remember, don't post your guesses on any other video anywhere else. Post it on this one in YouTube. Okay, and finally, obviously, if you are a battle card fan, and maybe you just want to buy yourself some of these battle cards, go to CryptoMiningWar.com. You got the full selection there. They also have the rules of the game that you could print out if you want, and then obviously you can just start playing. So good luck to everyone. I'm looking forward to seeing all your guesses, and I'm looking forward to awarding those prizes to 3 lucky people. Okay, so if you are interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.